Hey man, you wanna listen to some music?
Sure. Turn that off, turn it off. Thanks for listening to music.
This is music.
No, it's not. There aren't even any lyrics or instruments.
Listen dude, millions of people like this stuff. You don't need a guitar to make music.
We have millions of brain dead people who jump up and down for fun.
But rock is ancient. It's for old fogies.
Old fogies? Rock music literally shaped the world to what it is today. Legends like AC/DC, Led Zeppelin, Metallica, these legends shape music.
Dude, it takes countless hours of editing and hard work to make these songs. You have no idea what you're even talking about.
Editing? What is this, a short film? Rock music takes real talent and ability.
Okay, Mr. Stone Age. I bet you weren't even alive when that music was popular.
I don't care. Rock music is timeless. Trap is just crap.
Well, rock is dead.
Take that back, Josh.
How about you shut your trap?
Oh, so you like puns? We're on a highway to hell.
I've gone around with you in circles about this 1,000 times, okay? I'm out.
Good. Leave. Maybe I'll find friends who aren't taste like swine. Like you. Don't come back.
Hey guys, check it out. It's the Rockers, or should I say, the Fossils. Shibuya!
Watch your mouth, Josh.
Isn't he your best friend?
Ex-best friend.
Oh!
We've had some disagreements about music. He prefers this crap.
Still throwing shots, Grandpa?
Get out of the way, Josh. Can't listen to your trap anymore.
Rock is dead!
What did you say, Josh? Say it again to my face, Josh. I dare you. Say it again. That's what I thought.
Rock is dead.
Oh, you I'm gonna end this.
Oh no! Not the power of the solo, bro! Feel the power of the bass drop.
is going on here? What are you guys doing? With me. Come with me.
Yo, bro, get off of me!
You two sit down right now. Sit down. Very disappointed.
What?
Now tell me, what is going on?
Well, I'm a really big fan of trap music, and he likes that rock crap, so...
Yeah. Rock's so much better.
He just insulted my favorite genre of music, and I just feel like, dude, come on, like, seriously, trap is the best genre of music there is. You have no idea what you're even talking about.
Practice.
Dude, you don't know how much work it takes to make trap. You're not appreciating the amount of...
Stop! Is this about music?
Yeah, it is about music.
You two have to understand something. All music is equal. Art is about what you put into it, not what you hear. It's about the work that goes into a piece of art. So, you're arguing about rock is better, you're arguing about trap. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. All music is good, and you have to understand that to appreciate art as it truly is.
You know what, bro? I think you might be right. Like, you know, my music, I like my genre of music, you like yours. Maybe we should just respect each other for it.
It's kind of corny, but he has a point.
I'm glad you guys finally understand it.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, both of your music suck. Band is life.
What?
What?
Oh, Joel,
Whoa, hey,
what is going